We all remember these. Simple cardboard tubes, a fun but fleeting childhood toy. But what if I told you some are considered fine art, fetching thousands at auction? This is the vast gap between a mass-produced toy and a handmade artisanal instrument. It's a fundamental difference in craftsmanship, artistry, and the entire experience. Now we're going inside to uncover what creates this incredible value. So, what's the first major difference you can actually feel? It starts with the very materials. Forget cardboard and plastic. Artisans use polished brass, exotic woods, and hand-blown glass. These aren't disposable. They're built with longevity in mind, designed to last for decades. This durability comes from a human touch. Artisans make adjustments machines can't for a perfect fit. The result is an object that feels substantial, balanced, and precisely assembled. But the true magic and the real value lies within. Let's examine the optics that create the view. Why is the image in a cheap kaleidoscope often blurry? It comes down to the quality of the mirror system. Mass-produced versions use cheap film. Handmade scopes use first surface mirrors for a crisp, bright reflection. The number and angle of these mirrors are not random. They are carefully calculated by the artisan. But perfect mirrors are only half the story. What is the ingredient for that symphony of colors? Unlike plastic beads, artisans curate a collection of objects like hand-blown glass or gemstones. Each piece is chosen for its color, transparency, and shape, creating images of stunning complexity. The secret to smooth visuals? An oil-filled object cell, creating an effect like liquid fireworks. The customization doesn't stop there. Many artisan scopes feature interchangeable object cells. This transforms a single item into an expandable optical system with multiple visual worlds. And some handmade scopes have no internal objects. A kaleidoscope uses a lens to create patterns. Point it at anything, and it turns the world into an infinite symmetrical design. So we have superior materials and optics. But that doesn't fully explain the high value. Mass production relies on uniformity. But no two handmade kaleidoscopes are ever exactly the same. Artisans take this a step further, offering personalization. You can choose the wood or object mix. This artistry is supported by a global community, like the Brewster Kaleidoscope Society. This changes the item from a product into a personal commission, a one-of-a-kind piece of art. Let's connect the dots. Combine durable materials with unique artistry for a collectible whose value can grow. But the value isn't just financial. Buying handmade supports an individual artisan and their craft. There's also an environmental benefit. Small-scale production has a lower carbon footprint. So value here means more than price. It means artistic, personal, cultural, and ethical worth. The difference isn't just quality, it's philosophy. A disposable commodity versus a lasting piece of art. One is made for profit, the other for beauty, longevity, and a breathtaking visual experience. It shows what's possible when human creativity and skill are prioritized over automation. So next time you see a kaleidoscope, look closer. You might be seeing a simple toy or a masterpiece.